In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share your world in Fortnite LEGO. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You do have to make sure that your world is yours, and you're just going to open up your map. You're going to click on Players, and as you can see, you have 7 keys remaining. Now what you're going to do is invite players, and you can then invite your friends that are online. Now, you can also share a key with your friends if they want to join them. And all you have to do is share the key with them and they will be able to join your world. If you also want them to join the world without you playing, you can share one of the keys with them if they are in the world. That's all there is to it.